Hello and welcome back. In this session, we will see how to run our calculator test on a real device. So this is the test case which we have created earlier, in which we have clicked on 5 plus 9 and multiplied by 5, and we verified the result as 50. This test case was run on not a real device but a virtual device, and we were able to successfully run this test case on a virtual device. In order to run this on a real device, since we know how to connect the real device, we have to do some modification to this particular test case. Okay, so what I have done is I have created another class here called simple calculation on a real device. This is the Java class which I have created. There are few things which I have changed here. Let us look at the first one. So this simple calculation is on the virtual device. In order to run it on virtual device, the device name which we have given was Tech-Trainer Raj, but in case of real device it should be Android. The platform name is also Android and the device name is also Android. This is the first change you need to perform. And in my real device, the calculator app package and app activity name is different. So on the virtual device it was com.android.calculator2. However, in my case, on my real device, the package name is com.oneplus.calculator and app activity is com.oneplus.calculator.calculator. So this is another change which I had to make. In case of the actual test case itself, I have changed few things here. In order to click on digit 5, we were using the resource ID as com.android.calculator2, and it is not same in real device. So the resource ID is called com.oneplus.calculator. Okay, so that one change I have made. The other change was, if you look at accessibility ID plus, here also it is plus. Okay, and text 9 again it's the same. And in order to use multiply on the virtual device we have used text. However, on the real device I didn't find the text value as x, but it was under description. Okay, so that is the one change which I have done. And also the resource ID here, the resource ID is com.android.calculator2, and here it is com.oneplus.calculator. Okay, so there are few things which I have changed here in terms of location identifiers. Okay, let me open up the calculator here. Okay, so this is my calculator. So as usual I have installed apk info on this real device as well, and I got the app package and app activity from here. So if you look at calculator, and this is the package name, and if you look at the activity here, activity name is com.oneplus.calculator.calculator. Okay, now let me open up the calculator application itself. Let me take the screenshot here. Okay, so click on this. Okay, so in order to click on 5, what I have done here is, okay, it is com.oneplus.calculator. So if I look at this, it is Okay, com dot one plus dot calculator with ID digit 5. So this is the resource ID which I have taken, and for plus, okay, so there is no text. I have taken the content description here. Okay, and let me push this further so that it is visible. Okay, so plus is here, and 9. Okay, for 9 again I have taken, so this is the class name Android widget button, and the text is 9 here. Okay, and for multiplication, okay, so this is the multiplication, and here on the virtual device we had a text called X. However, the X is in content description on the real device. That is the reason I have taken description along with X. So if you look at the other one, it is text followed by X here. Okay, digit 5 we have seen earlier. Last one is the result here. So the result will display here. Resource ID is result here. com dot one plus dot calculator ID result. Okay, so this is what I have created based on the previous experience we had with the virtual device. Okay, so let me run this and show you. Run as Java application. Okay, it has opened up calculator now. 5 plus 9 multiplied by 5, which is 50, and the result is matched. So this is how we can run the test case on a real device. So that is the end of this session. Thanks for watching.